Hi, this is Adam Lane from Pocketnow.com, and you're watching a Windows Phone Mango preview. Okay, so what's new with Bing? First off, like I said before, the search button is always going to go to Bing now. It's no longer context sensitive in any of the programs. So we're going to go to Bing, and you got the text field is still up here at the top, but we have some new buttons down here. The voice is the same as before, but we now have music and vision, as well as Scout. We'll look at that later, but let's try the music search. So there's my Zune HD with a speaker, and I'll play some music, and then I will press this. And there you go. Found the album, and now I'm going to press Marketplace. And here we are. I can download the whole thing. Did I press it? There we go. So really easy. And there you go. I'm downloading that whole album. So this is kind of like a Shazam, except it's right here, one button, well, two presses, one button away no matter where you are. So if you're in the grocery store, you hear a song, it only works on recorded music, not live tunes or humming. So don't try it like that. The voice search still works the same as usual, but we have some new features. So let's try this. Images of Angelina Jolie. That's right, Bing on Windows Phone finally has image search. This is something you've had on all other mobile platforms and the Bing app for a while, but now it's here. Unfortunately, you can't swipe to go to the next or previous ones. And there's a link to where this picture is from. So that's really cool. We also have web. Local is still there. There's no video search. So let me try one more thing. Let's do voice again. Movies. So here's movies, and this happened before, but now we have a much more extensive listing. Let me choose one with some ratings. So now we're getting much more information. We have show times, and you have buy ticket buttons. Those don't work on this one because it's a preview. And supposedly there should be an apps menu pivot here that links us to IMDb or other movie related applications, but it's not working on this one. Next, let's try the Bing Vision search. So let me zoom out a little. And I'm going to put something down here. How about, this is a CD cover. And there you go. So that's linking me right to the description of this CD, this artist, and it's showing me prices. So I can go and buy this right away. Now let's try some other things. How about DVD? This Bing Vision works on barcodes, Microsoft tags, DVD covers, books, CDs, QR codes as well. So there you go. And I can click the thing and go to reviews about that movie. So let's try a barcode. There seems to be a bug in this implementation that it doesn't autofocus unless you do it. So there's some mango. We'll do the barcode. If you're hungry for more mango, we can just go off to the website right now. Kind of expensive though. And now let's do one more feature. And this is a really cool one. What should I scan? Go back to the DVD. Notice this button down here, scan text. So you see little squares around the text. And look at this button, translate. What language should I choose? Didn't do that well, but there's some superimposed translation. Let's try a different language. And what is this? Copy all. So that's going to copy what it was able to recognize, and now I can paste it into a new note or whatever. Oh, by the way, select and search doesn't work in OneNote, but it still works in other programs like Internet Explorer, so if I select something and then press the Bing button, it will search for that. Back in the Vision. There we go. I searched for a movie and now it's recommending this movie's app, IMDb. So I can go and download that right away. Okay, next. The Local Scout. So this is gonna figure out where I am and then show me things that are nearby that it recommends. So right now we got the eat and drink pane, and it shows prices, locations, little ratings. So we can go to the card and get some reviews about each restaurant. Here's things to see and do. You got movie theaters listed. All sorts of fun stuff to explore. You see the map changes up here. One thing that I don't like, you click on a movie theater, but it doesn't show showtimes. Got shopping areas. Again, they have reviews. Hours, there's directions. Phone number, quick access to the website. And here's some highlights, as well as favorites are down here. So that's some cool new Bing features. Some of them work well, some of them are still works in progress, it would seem. But some pretty impressive attempts there at adding new features. We'll talk more about maps later, and be sure to check out Pocketnow.com for our full preview of Windows Phone Mango. That's it for now.